Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Notcoin. Now, if you're looking to get the Notcoin token, all you need to do is first open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com. Link in the description of the video. With CoinMarketCap, you can simply view the price of the token. Once you view the price of the token, simply scroll down and you find its TON contract address. You can choose to copy this contract address. And when you scroll down a bit more, you'd find the exchanges where it's being traded, both centralized and decentralized exchanges. For the centralized exchange, we have Binance, and for the decentralized exchange, we have Stone.fi. All right, so with this in mind, minimize and open up your TON Keeper application. Make sure to watch our video on how to set up the TON Keeper application so you can be up to date. So once you've opened up your TON Keeper, make sure you have some TON in your TON Keeper. If you do not have TON, click on the buy and sell and then choose any of the options to get yourself some TON tokens, as this is required for the transaction. Once you've used any of the third-party providers, all you need to do is simply put in your banking information such as your credit card or debit card info and simply get yourself your tokens. All right, so once you've gotten yourself some of the TON coin, once you have some TON coin on your wallet, simply head over to the browser, scroll from Digital Nomad till you find DeFi and click on Stone.fi. Once here, simply click on Connect Wallet, or you'll be prompted to connect your wallet. Once you've connected your wallet, where we have you send TON, you receive USDT. In place of USDT, simply search for Notcoin. And you'd find Notcoin, fake Notcoin, W Not. All you need to do is head back to your browser, scroll through and copy the contract address for Notcoin, minimize, open up TON Keeper, paste the contract address there and select Notcoin. So for 0.2 or 0.3, that's $2 worth of TON, you're going to be getting 143 Notcoins. So click on swap, click on confirm swap, and you confirm the transaction. So slide to confirm. There's a network fee of 0.87. So you're paying $3 for $2 worth of Notcoin. And once you slide to confirm this transaction and scan your fingerprint or your Face ID, you're going to find the Notcoin in your wallet. Head back to your wallet. You'd find the Notcoin directly on your wallet here. As you can see, we received some Notcoin tokens from Stone.fi Dex. All right, so that's how you can get Notcoin on a decentralized exchange. If you're looking to get your Notcoin cheaper without paying anything for gas fees or network fees, minimize and open up your centralized exchange. The centralized exchange in question is Binance. So once you've clicked on Binance, make sure you have an account on Binance. If you do not have an account on Binance after installing the app, make sure to use our link in the description of this video to simply sign up and stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fees or rebates. So guys, once you've gotten your account on Binance, all you need to do is simply head to the wallet section at the bottom right. Make sure to click on deposit. And now you could choose to deposit any cryptocurrencies you hold outside of Binance, such as on your wallet or any wallet of your choice. You could send them into the Binance application and then simply convert those cryptocurrencies into Notcoin. Now, if you do not have any crypto, click on the buy option and use the P2P trading or buy with USDT. That's your virtual card. Use your virtual card or your credit card to purchase cryptocurrency tokens and simply use those cryptocurrency tokens to get the Notcoin. In your wallet, scroll to your spot or funding. You'd find your USDT tokens here. Head back to the home where we have the convert icon. Click and convert. And you're simply going to be converting from your USDT token into the Notcoin. So for ENA, let's go with ENA to Not. Click on Notcoin, click on Max, click on Preview Conversion and simply click on Convert. With no added fee and nothing extra, you could simply get yourself some Notcoin for $1.42. So guys, if you were to head back to your wallets, perform a reload, you'd find the Notcoin here. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.